Hello guys, welcome back to my channel online unboxing and review product। तो मेरी चैनल अगर पसंद आती है तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन को हिट कीजिए। जैसे ही सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन को हिट करेंगे पास में एक नोटिफिकेशन बेल दिखेगा, उसे भी हिट कीजिए ताकि मेरी आने वाली हर एक नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको समय से मिलती रहे।
Hey, welcome back guys, this is Shahid Malik here. So today my mom's voice is not perfect for recording purposes, so she just told me to voice over this video up in English. So hope you like it, and let's get started. So today's video is about push-up bars, which are go-karts push-up bars. The price is $3.99 as you can see on their screens, the photographs of push-up bars and some features of it like the PVC bushings. And before entering today's video, like and share with your friends and family. I hope you enjoy the video until end, and if you don't like it, just dislike it, but at least tell in the comment section below that what we need to improve in our videos. And if you require your suggestions, then just do comment down below. We will be grateful to answer and try to answer most of the comments. And for the link of the product, go check out the description box below. We'll give a link there. So just let's get started with the unboxing. So the product arrived at my house was in a normal Amazon packaging, as it usual comes with an Amazon cover with it. It was in a cardboard. So my mom just opened it up and saw if the product was not damaged or stuff. So luckily the product was not damaged up. So here is how she opened the box. So here you can see the top, the push-up bars. The top says push-up stands. Actually, it is really great. So you can read what is written, that professional sports series push-up stands. The shape is simply safe, comfortable, lightweight, durable, it says. And here's the product overview kind of thing on the top. And just let's take out of the cardboard box and see what is inside. So here's the box out of the cardboard. So I just showed you the upper part. Now this is the front face of the box. It says anti-skid, comfortable, etc. So here's the push-up stands. So there are two kinds of variations available. I ordered the first one, which is PVC bushings, and the second one is the grip one. So there are two variants, of course. The first one I ordered, both the sides the same detail was there, and the down of the box you can see made in China, so it is a Chinese product. So let's see if it's durable or not. So it is needed to be opened like this. So here it is on the top, the S push-up bar stands pair, which I ordered. It looks great, sleek designed, and durable at first look. So these are the ones, the first one which I ordered, as I told you in the beginning of the video. So you can see. So here is the product, the S-shaped push-up bars, strong, sturdy, and stable. So you can see these are S-shaped bars. So they are good. Actually, the grip is also excellent. I tried to do push-ups, but their grip is also excellent. No joint weeds or pieces. They are comfortable, exactly as it is saying. So you can just hold your hands, tighten up, and do push-ups, different types of push-ups which you can do it on it, and they're really comfortable and stable. So product is S-shaped one. So you can see the specifications on the screen. So it is chromium plated, high elastic steel tubes, PVC bushings, and all the specifications of the products. So it doesn't slips up. So it is also double layer soft foam grip, so it feels comfortable in the hand and great to do a workout with it. And it are bold steel pipes, and they're highly strengthened up, S-shaped balance design as we discussed earlier. These are the PVC bushings which don't let this thing slip, and any injuries may not be caused while using this if you use it properly then. So these are the PVC bushings. I'm just giving a close look over this so you can see the product. The grip, which is here, double layered comfortable foam grip, which is also a great thing. It feels comfortable in the hands. So these are the grips. comes in orange and black color, so it's great, comfortable, and again the chromium platings are elastic. So here are just some few shots to see how the product looks like. So they are the shaped ones, some round overview shots for the products. You can see the PVC bushings and all, the chromium plated steel pipes. It is also strong, durable. I prefer to use it up. It's great. It feels comfortable to the hands. And here is the product with the box. You can see the box as usual says push-up stands. So hope you like the video. Just check out the description box for more videos, and thank you for watching my video until end.